mean, Jenny, what are we doing next?
Now we're doing Bailey the dog. Bailey, come here.
This might be a little more difficult. Come
ready?
on, little
Let's
baby.
do the stopwatch.
No.
I got it.
Okay.
Bailey, come on. Come here. Come here. Good girl. All right, ready? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Ready for this? Let's try.
Yeah.
No, Bailey.
Oh, go back.
Yeah,
Go back.
Bailey.
Go back. Woo, that way.
Bailey, you want Bailey, you want an ice cube? Come here.
He looks tempted. Not anymore. Maybe if I run this way, he'll follow.
Bailey, want this?
Maybe not.
No, you don't want an ice cube? No? Wait.
Just physically drag him over.
Yeah, let's go, Bailey. Come on. Hold on. Sit.
Back on down, doggy.
Sit. Good girl. Okay. Ready, set, go. Go get it. Go get it.
Yes!
Wait, I didn't stop it.
Jenny! Sorry, Bailey, we're gonna have to redo that one. No! Come back.
Come here, Bill. Come here. Come here. Alright. Ready? Sit. Good girl.
And I want to do another one after this. My 1.9 is embarrassing.
Okay, ready? Ready, go. Go. 1.65.
How did that slow thing beat me?